FC Barcelona moved to Camp Nou in 1957 and now it is the largest stadium in Europe. We know that, and we also know that they are nicknamed Culés. The origin of the name Culés dates back to 1916 when they were still playing at their first home ground. The first home ground where Barcelona used to play is called Calle de la Industria. Now this ground was inaugurated in the year 1909 and Barcelona was playing there till 1922. So the story is, in 1916, a two-tier stand was erected at Calle de la Industria. And guess what? This two-tier stand was first of its kind in a Spanish football ground. Now what did this two-tier stand do? It increased the capacity of the spectators to 6,000. Imagine just 6,000 spectators, but it was a big deal at that point of time. But as usual, Barcelona had more fans than the sitting available for the spectators. Due to overcrowding, some fans, they started sitting on the walls that surrounded the pitch. So basically the wall around the pitch used to be filled with fans sitting on those walls. So anybody who was passing the ground from the outside could only see the backsides of these fans. The thing is, in Catalan, cul means backside, and that is how the nickname Culers or Culés, how Spanish might call them, came into being. This is the reason why Barcelona fans are nicknamed Culés. In 1922, Barcelona moved to a larger stadium with around 20,000 supporters initially, which got expanded to 60,000 supporters, and finally they moved to Camp Nou in 1957. But the fans didn't want to be departed from the nickname Culés because that reminded them of how humble their beginnings were, how they started from a very small ground with huge crowds, huge fan following, to now to Camp Nou, where there is a lot of space available, but still the modesty, the humbleness in that nickname remains. That is why the Barcelona fans, the Barcelona supporters around the world, they are famously called as Culés.